Hi, this is Randy with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Today I'm here with Duan, who drove all the way from Wisconsin to get a 2018 Hot Wheel Camaro. The car is hot. Duan, what's up, man? What's going on?
Man, that car is like the best car I ever had, man. I came and I traded in a Camaro, and these guys made sure I left out of here with what I wanted instead of what they wanted to give me. And I appreciate them guys for that. I recommend this place to anyone.
You recommend us to anyone? Guys, come to Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Get your Hot Wheel today. Number one.
Come by and see them.